68 kilograms. Gold, Lahat Pangasinas, 88 pounds. Congratulations.
Sada, kakaiso, next.
Mismatch yan tama.
Winner of Filipino Senior Swimming 61 kilograms.
Okay, nice. Blue. Bisa mo.
Congratulations.
Oh!
Go! Take down!
Winners for 16 to 17 years old juniors of Metacans 50 kilograms. Silver Lisa of RSC ISKF. And for gold, Rhea Studio of Filipinas 132.
Bang!
Please proceed to awarding area.
All three. Titingnan nyo para gumamit ng oras. At saka lamang.
Nice, blue.
Tandaan siya.
Nice.
Sayang.